To sign into LingoBuddy and to start chatting, all you need is a Google account. Go ahead and create one if you don't already have one, but if you do, go ahead and click on either Sign In with Google or Get Started. Both will take you to the same location. When you click on that, a pop-up will appear. Select your account, sign on in. It'll authenticate, and then it'll ask you for an API key from Gemini. If you don't have one, go ahead and click on this little link right here, Google AI Studio. It'll pop open a new tab. Then it'll ask if there's no API keys here. You can click on Create API Key. It'll pop up. It'll say give a name and then create a project. If you don't have a project, create one. I called mine LingoBuddy, and I already generated an API key. So I'm going to take this one here, which will appear just like for you. I'm going to click on Copy API Key. It'll save it to my clipboard. I'll come over here. We can right-click and say Paste, and then click the Verify and Continue button.